Hey, Sonny.
Yeah,
We ain't gonna trade the hunk of junk in anyway.
when the market lets me get a car.
Oh, please, if you're still on about that excuse, you can forget about it.
Forget about it. I ain't just gonna buy a box with 4 wheels. You are what you drive, Tony.
Yeah, but you're thinking about it wrong.
Thinking about it wrong.
No, listen. You know that car place, Step One Automotive Group, right?
Yeah, I can't throw a rock without hitting someone that bought from there.
Word on the street is they got this program
Program.
where you trade in your car, get a new one, they make it yours, they work with all kinds of credit. But you just gotta make them an offer that they can't refuse.
Yeah, an offer they
Yeah,
can't
you know what I mean?
refuse.
And let's be honest, you could use the extra trunk space.
Yeah, no kidding.